It is now 1:58 p.m. and we just started the day. But that's because Lou is still feeling bad. How are you feeling back there? Better? But I also had a really severe headache. Started already yesterday evening and lasted until 10 minutes ago approximately. Feeling way better now. But oh no, cart full. But yeah, because it's already 2, where do we go today? To this national park? We go to this national park, which is only 10 minutes away, but first we need to fill up the gas. It's the first time on this entire road trip, and it is day 4. Hello, number 5?
Yes. Okay, pay with card.
Yes. 97.30 euros. Cheaper than in Germany, but still expensive. Here we are. Okay, let's go this way around and then come back here.
Ja, wie lange dauert das?
I don't know.
Viel später.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Totally wet. We're walking now behind the waterfall. That's my first time walking behind a waterfall, and it feels so crazy cool. Oh my god. Look at this beauty of nature. You have seen it already, but you gotta see this river.
Something that you just
okay.
do.
This guy warned me and explained that filming in nature parks in Slovenia are strictly prohibited, and he has seen many rangers already checking for drones and aerial drone footage stuff. I can't really remember his name, but he drives a Tesla, has also a YouTube channel, and sent me his drone clips. He's a really cool guy. So enjoy the next clip, which is 100% from him.
I can fly there, but only over the road.
Okay.
Everything else is nature park, and they don't allow any filming in nature park.
Oh, okay, good.
But
okay.
if you get caught, the fines are apparently quite big.